In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your video editing to its peak. Something that's super annoying is when you're working with video clips that have a ton of different aspect ratios and they don't fill up your scene. You might have found yourself in this situation where you have all these different clips and they're scaled down so you can barely see them. So you might expect to come over here to your scale all and just drag that up until they fill the frame. But a much better way is to simply select all of your clips, scroll on down to the bottom of your video inspector, and find the spatial conform. From there, change it from fit over to fill. And just like that, you now have all of your video clips maximizing the space of your scene.
This is a problem that a lot of people have.
Gas.
If you have a compound clip, and say you like this title, you want to use it in a later project, or maybe later in your video, you hold Option to make a quick copy. Now, of course, you want to change the text to say something else. So instead of introducing "man drinks coffee," we can say something like, "the FCB bro is lame." But you'll notice if we go back to the original compound clip, that was also changed, which is not what you wanted. So once you copy that compound clip, go to Clip and press Reference New Parent Clip. This essentially cuts off the connection with the parent compound clip. It disowns the compound clip, if you will. So now you can freely go in and make adjustments like FCB bro is really lame. And so now when we hop back out, we still have that first compound clip unadjusted and our second compound clip is adjusted how we want.
Another problem with working with weird aspect ratios in Final Cut Pro is that you can't see what your media looks like on the outside. And this actually works for 16:9 and vertical videos. If you want to be able to see all of the media outside of the rendered frame, you can simply come over to your transform tool and select this button that I can't think of the name for. And so now you can see that when the video is not playing, I actually can see all of the video happening outside of the frame. And it makes it super easy to know if there's a part of the scene that you want to have in frame.
Now, what if you want to put text behind someone? There's an easy way to do that, and that is with the magnetic mask. All you do is hold Option to drag your clip above the text, so you basically make a little sandwich. So when that's done, you can trim off this top clip to the end of the title. Let's go to the magic wand icon, hit Add Magnetic Mask, and you select whatever you want to be cut out. And I can't see very well, to be honest, because this is broad daylight and I don't have a good matte MacBook like Dylan does. So I think I'm picking a bunch of weird things here, but it doesn't matter because only my head's going to be cut out. Once you hit Analyze, Final Cut will do some voodoo magic to essentially cut out whatever you have selected. So then you hit Done, and you'll notice we have our text now behind my head.
You sure you want to do this?
I'm
all right.
Let's give it a shot.
Thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Dylan John. He is phenomenal as a Final Cut Pro creator, and he's probably the strongest Dylan we know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.